So today, I got this box. You know what this box says? Parts for scooters. So, yeah, let's open it up. I cut the bottom, but I still haven't opened it yet. So, let's see what we got here. Air filter. Woo. Carb gasket. Air filter adapter, velocity stack with choke. My new carb. I think that's it. So, yeah, let's get these unwrapped. Okay, everything's unboxed and unwrapped. So, here's my filter. Hose clamp, everything. Here's my carb gasket. Velocity stack gasket, I left it in there for now, but appears to be fine. Velocity stack with built-in choke. So, works pretty slick. Slide it like this, slide it back. So that just fixed my choke problems. But it's starting to rain. Here's my carburetor. Hold on, I gotta close my door, it's gonna come in. Alright, sorry about that. My carburetor, everything looks fine, but then I open up the package and this broken piece of plastic falls out on me. And I'll show you what it is. This broken piece of plastic. It came right off of, it's for your idle. It's supposed to fit in like this, but it's broken. So, I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed. I paid $25 for this carb and it comes broken. You know, I was planning on using my setup anyway, but I don't. If it fits, I'm not going to complain. But if it doesn't fit, they'll be hearing from me. So, but other than the broken carb, I'm entirely happy. I must say though, They did do a very good job packing all this with the bubble wrap and everything. It looked very well packed. I'm just very disappointed about the carburetor. So, if my top piece will fit, I'm not worried about it. But if it doesn't fit, yeah, I'm going to be pretty angry. So, thanks for watching.